So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually scan your Dstv Zapper HD decoder if you are in South Africa. So you pick up your remote, you press on the blue button, which takes you to the menu. And here, all you got to do is to look for settings. Alright, satellite settings. You come down to the satellite settings and you put it on home network. Okay. Press OK to proceed. On this page, you come down to the launch installation wizard. Alright, so with the satellite, if you are living in South Africa, you need to change the satellite to IS20 or IS20. As you can see, there are some listed countries right there, and South Africa are in this listed country. So you need to select the IS20 and you proceed with the same steps that I'm going to use. Okay, so I need to select a different satellite because I'm not in South Africa. And then you press OK. On this page, come down to the manual setup, press OK. And here with LMB type, if normally a Zapper decoder, they're gonna use a universal to install. So if it's on universal and it's not working, maybe they use a Dstv Smart LMB, so you need to change it to unique cable TM. So I start here to check whether it's gonna work. But normally they're gonna use the universal LMB. So you put it on the universal LMB and you come down to the scan option. And on the right side of the page, you're gonna find out that there is signal status over there. You have to make sure that those signal status are filled up, indicating that there is some signal on your decoder. Alright, so you press OK to proceed with the scanning and you're good to go. Okay. Alright, so after scanning, all you got to do is to enjoy your channels. Whether it's a new decoder, if it's a new decoder, all you got to do is to call the Dstv office and then you provide them with the IUC number of the decoder or the smart card number of the decoder, and they're gonna do the activation right there for you. If you find this video helpful and you are new here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you like and share to other platforms. Thanks for watching.